my gosh, you guys, this Cupid's Crunchy Popcorn Snack Mix is so addicting. I don't think that it matters if you're an adult or a kid. I think you're gonna equally like it. It's something that's made in a really big batch, so this is perfect, something that you can package up and bring with you for a snack for your friends and your kids at school. It's really simple. It's just popped popcorn. I use some salty pretzels. You buy your own like melting chocolates, and then you add whatever candies you want to it, nuts, maybe even some coconut, and you just let it dry and you package it up and it's all set to go. Go ahead and like and follow me at Sauce by Sunday.